What up, people? I am here once again. Really need to stop saying that. I need to write down ways to say hello. But we are doing week 3 of the June bullet journal. Sorry, I was looking at Witch Casket earlier, so I was going to say Witch Casket, but no, we're not doing that. We are looking at June in the bullet journal. Of course, this is still super early because we are only in the first week of June. But I have another bullet journal set up that I need to get out. I also need to July, and I'm going home, and it's just a mix mash things. I don't know why I've decided to start a YouTube channel now before I would go home. Silly me, but here we are. So I wanted these to look like more parchment scrolls, so I just did that. I did it a bit differently actually this time. Instead of using the pen and going round, I just went round on the edges and then used the pen to try and smudge it, and I think that's okay. Still looks cool. Oh, I need to mention that the rope on the right hand side is from It's Me Andy. I couldn't draw it for the life of me. I really tried. I really couldn't draw it, so I screenshotted and printed it and changed the colour slightly so it's a bit more worn. But I'll link her channel down below because she's awesome, and I also was inspired by her spread to create this one as well, so it's really good. And that top parchment there, I tried to make it look like it had burnt, so I added some black. I think it's okay, it kind of pulls off a little bit, maybe not, we'll see. This video is so short today, really, that's why I'm speaking so fast, because I don't know how long I've got. It's so short, this is like the shortest video I've probably ever done on the channel so far, which is great, because no one wants to be sitting through 40-minute videos anymore. Hashtag let's play not so very legacy challenge. Which I will link for you guys. Yeah, so I tried to do these bottles again. This time I didn't want to colour them in black because I didn't want to continue and repeat the same styles, so I think I coloured them in grey. I was thinking of leaving them white because then they could be salt, but the page was looking pretty bland already and I didn't want to leave it white, so I added grey, and then later on I totally changed up these pages. I didn't know what I was going to use this for because I don't really use notes. But yeah, you'll see when that comes. There you go. I can't believe that the lighting's awful. What is going on with the light? I need to get a light, I think, to help out. I thought these lights would be good that I have in my little house, but obviously not. I need to get a proper lamp. Well, that's down the line. Anyway, so I can't believe that I actually need to use a YouTube schedule. Like, I've seen so many bullet journals do a schedule, and I've always been like, oh, if I was on YouTube, I wouldn't need a schedule because I know what's happening. No, I don't. I don't even know why I thought of that, because I love organising and I love writing everything down. So I'm not even sure why I thought of that, but I've got so much to do before I go home, and I just thought, yeah, I'm going to make a schedule. Fuck it. I'm going to make a schedule. Yes, we are back with watercolouring. Can you believe it? Why have I done this to myself again? Who knows? But this time, it looks better. It looks so much better. So much better. I mean, it's not great, it's not perfect, but hey, it looks alright. Anyway, and then I've got my packing list as well, because like I said, I'm going home. I think it's obvious that I'm going home. Everybody, did you know? I'm going home. And I need to take certain things that so I don't forget, like I need to take the filming stuff so I can do the witch casket when I go home, because guess what guys, I'm going home. And I need to take the microphone and stuff, just things that I've never ever needed to take home and didn't even have until I started doing the channel. So yeah, I wanted to make sure I wrote some stuff down. And I also need to give my sister the incense from the witch casket that I said I was going to do. So yeah, it looks okay actually. I mean, it's just some bottles under the sand again. That's what it is, isn't it? It's fine. It's cool. I wanted to try and make the bottom bit darker, and then it goes lighter as it goes up. So it's abstract. So abstract, guys. So abstract. It's not as abstract as last week's, but it's so abstract. But yeah, no, I was much more pleased. I tried to do like a little mountain of sand, because, you know, sand's not fun. It has like dips and stuff. So, and here we are now. It's all dry. Thank God. It didn't actually take that long to dry, but yeah, I was really good with it actually. I was really careful with the amount of water. I think this is my best watercolouring yet. My best. And then just doing this, making it all pretty, rubbing out my pencil marks because I can't draw or anything without pencils because I'm dumb. Just dumb. There we go. So it's not really much left to do really. I just colour it in black, do some wetlands, and then I put a little bit of white on the water so I add some like little little stars and stuff like that. You can't really see it. I mean, I can see it, but on camera you can't see it, so it's a bit sad, but never mind. Shit happens. Shit happens. Yeah, so just finishing it off, and I'm really happy with it actually. Rather happy. Yeah, like I said, I'll link everyone down below. I'll link all the things that I've used, and don't forget to check out the other videos on my channel. But I might as well leave you now because there's not much left. So I'll see you all later. Bye!